Hi, I'm Chris Siegel, Vice President of Product Development at SATCO, and in this episode of Spotlight, we're going to talk to Dom Circe, who is one of our product managers, about our new EM Slimfit product.
Well, this is the new Slimfit Pro series with integrated emergency battery backup. It's identical to the existing family. It's a simple expansion where we add the fully integrated emergency backup and test switch directly into the fixture. We launched this in the 6-inch model, and it has all the same specifications as the standard model. So you have 120 to 277 volt input, 0 to 10 volt, and phase cut dimmable. So that's our dual dimming technology.
Okay.
These are also CCT selectable. That'll be on the back side of the lighting head, and also wattage selector on the driver.
So tell us a little bit about the installation of this product. How are we doing this?
Sure. Well, the standard models have the normal remote driver with the FT6 plenum-rated cable leading to the lighting head. And what we've done is we've added another box which houses the emergency battery backup system, and then the test switch leads, again, that go directly into the face of the luminaire.
So this is a huge labor saver, I guess, because a lot of the other products in the market, if you have to integrate EM solutions, it requires an awful lot of labor and wiring.
Right. The typical installation for the addition of an emergency driver is to open the driver housing, run the driver cabling into the housing, and then connect a series of wires that go both on the AC side and the DC side of the driver. Well, in addition to the wattage selector, we also have the wiring that's fully done at the factory, leaving the installer with only 4 wires to actually have to connect. These wires come from the emergency driver housing, which inside this box you'll find the emergency driver that's Title 20 certified, as well as self-diagnostic.
And that creates, again, more labor savings during installation and advantages or features that other similar products in the market don't have.
Sure. Yeah, the self-diagnostic feature allows for the fixture to communicate to the user in the space when the battery needs service.
Okay, very good. Well, thank you very much, Dom. I appreciate the review of our new Slimfit EM Downlight. And for this product, as well as all of the remote driver downlights and recessed lighting that we offer, please visit us at satco.com.